Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Um, Hi. Check. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Mm, Welcome back. This is another um coding every day until I get a job. I uh do apologize. I haven't been able to do it for the past few days because I have my final thesis presentation. So it is finished, and yeah. So okay. So uh as per usual, I'd like to do a sound check, but and yeah, I do apologize that I haven't been doing this for a few days, so I hope it's okay. My volume is not working. Wait, let us configure this. Okay, it works good. Nice. Okay, let's go back to. I hope the music is okay now. Let's check if it's too loud or. Okay, so basically today is day 43. I hope I still remember what I was doing. But I think last time I had a like a get session function to check the session server side, so it's much more secure. But there was one thing that could be improved for the UX, which is the pop-up host for when users logged out. But uh, yeah, how it goes for now. As you can see, I'm still signed in. I think I need to configure some settings so that the session wouldn't last this long. I logged in a few days ago and it's still running. So okay, see, well, after sign out, I don't really get any toast notifications. So I think we could try to add that. Okay, 1 second. Okay, sorry. I hope it's not too loud, but I can see the sound bar quite clearly. So okay, sorry. We need to set up the stream properly. I should have a like a proper test thingy, but okay, it's fine. Okay. Now we have copied that. Let's add it into the YouTube chat and see if it's working right now. Okay, cool. Good morning, good afternoon. I hope everyone's doing all right. But yeah, okay. So basically, we able to do the sign in, Okay, it's not loading. I don't know. Okay. We use the test at Gmail. We can do test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Show on height. Not rest. I need rest. Sign in. No. Okay, so we have a profile here, things like that. And if we go to profile, it's still empty because we still haven't created the slash profile. I think I'm gonna change it to dashboard. Maybe it's much better. Profile. Let's see. Okay. The thing is, we don't have profile yet, but what we have is a dashboard. There we go. Oh wait, this will automatically redirect to session if not authenticated. Okay, I remember. So if we go to the yeah, we haven't created a profile yet. But I wanna don't show that. Okay. Also, when signing out, there's no effects or whatever, but now what I want to do is to add like a like and save button here below in the resource card so that the users could like or I think just a love button would be better. Um, just a like button would be better, that it is automatically saved or liked in your profile. So that's basically your profile only contains like your like dashboard and your liked resources. So I think today what I want to do is be able is to maybe like those resources if that's possible, but that means we need to add that in the database as well. Wait, I think this is, oh yeah, dashboard. It was for testing. It was dashboard. Go to dashboard. It's it does exist, by the way. So that's cool. See, okay, we'll come back. Okay, I think that I don't know. I haven't really thought about how the dashboard would look like. All I could prepare the first time was how the landing page would look like. I haven't really thought about like the application factors regarding this project, but I guess we should build it along the way. Maybe add a return button as well to go to /home. Okay, so what we can do is add if, and then go here. It's not sign out, to be honest. I want it to be a, or is there like a link? I wanted to, I forgot, it's in the Lucid React. I think we can go to Lucid React. It's like a left arrow, just a button of, or like a left arrow that I want to put there just to go back home. I think right now we can try to make that dashboard. Arrow up left. Which one is better? Maybe arrow up left? It's already a component, right? Arrow up left. This arrow up left. Okay. children. Oh, okay, sorry. There we go. I think what we can do is no, like the center. Oh, does it do a... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna use a different browser so that I could see the... if it's doing anything with the... if it's like scroll back, sorry, not scroll back, like if it's... Hmm. Oh, this is not what I want. Okay. Is it in the offset one? What? Why is it suddenly like this? Wait, what happened to the dashboard page of the assets? I thought it has a heading Y. Oh, sorry. It has an MX Auto. What do you mean? Like, why is it not working? It has the container. Why is it not working? Okay, let's do that. And that's a bit odd. Why is it not? I don't think I should show the user ID. This is only a test anyway, so. Why is it like... I'm confused. Why is the padding Y not working? Shit, I forgot to turn it on. Right. What? How is it not working? How's the container not working? What? I still can hear myself. Don't do that. I don't really see it. Why is it? Okay, I set it up to rounded full. Why is it like? What is it? Why is it doing that? Isn't the container supposed to handle that? Did I set it up to? What? Why is it like doesn't have a padding in this viewport? Like what? I'm so confused. Oh, is it because the it's much better now with this? We had a gap of 2. Why is it like this? Was it not in the center? Does it have an... Oh, okay, here we go. This is much better. Okay. For some reason, the MX Auto and the container doesn't work, so I'm not entirely sure why. Uh, Sorry, so what's the MX? I thought the MX Auto is good. What? It's gonna take me way too long for not doing actually or not doing actually anything. But okay. Hello. Hello, above heights. How are you? I'm trying to make a dashboard for this, but thank you. I don't know if it's because my display contrast is bad or my eyesight is getting worse, but I couldn't really. I don't know. It just doesn't seem to be working that well. The about page have quite good of a container, so why is the MX Auto is not doing anything? I'm so confused. Is it because of the flex grow? Hello? Hello? Thank you. Oh my god, why are there 19 people watching? Hello, welcome. Sorry. I hope everyone have a great Saturday today. Okay, what I want to do right now. The thesis was more about, this is more about Python to be helpful. Was the dataset hard? Is there like, or is there like already a data collection for that part, basically? Yahoo? What the fuck? Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Could I have another card footer below this? Oh, that's okay. Huh, okay, how can I make this? Okay. How's that? Exchange the... Wait. Oh yes, I remember why I didn't change it to image yet, because I need to set up the Next.js config. So for now, it's just gonna use the image. I remember. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Still trying to learn about it. I switch back and forth between this and VS Code, because sometimes if there's some things that are too nested, I get confused looking at this and I open VS Code, or if I have to ask AI to do something, which I might do actually. So that means if I create another div, I need like a heart logo. So it's just heart. Okay. Hello. Welcome, Yahoo. How are you? Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, the thing is, I want the light to be the bottom here. So I was thinking of turning this instead of flex, but turning it into grid for the footer. Okay. Well, great to hear, because for some reason, the default search engine is Yahoo. So shout out to Yahoo. Although I don't know why it's Yahoo. So I think what I need to do is to make this into a client component. Originated from hosting site. However, it's not our fault that they fall for phishing so easily. Vermin? I just want it to be like two grid on top of each other, so I think that should work, right? Let's just hope it's grid calls 2, and that should work, I guess. Yes, okay, that works. Okay, that works. Nice. So I think what we need to do is in the heart, give it a class name of size 2, maybe. Too small, so maybe size 8. Okay, size 4 it is. Too small. Size 6. Much better. Okay, now, but what we need to do is add a like a gap, was it? Okay, just add a margin top of 3 or 4. Yeah, but this is not even, so how can I make all the title only taking one line instead of two like this? So if it's too long, it's just I want it to have like a dot dot. What is it called again? Um Trying to make a directory website for engineering resources. Ellipsis, yes, thank you. Oh my god. Is it ellipsis? Yes, it's the ellipsis one. Thank you so much, Mr. Gem. Is this on GitHub? Not yet. It's still on local. No, not yet. Line clamp 1. Oh my god, thank you. Okay, I'll try to do that for the So I think it's in the, not in the description, but it is in the title. So I think I can do line clamp. Oh my god. Oh my god, it works. Programmer Filthy. Hi, I just on Twitch as well. No. Uh, I don't know if my laptop could handle it, but yeah. Here streaming on YouTube, it's already quite heavy on the my 5-year-old laptop, so remember we're one of the most corrupt countries inside. Okay, that makes us both. Oh god. Thank you so much. Wait, accept all. Corruption percent. Okay, what is the difference? This is corruption. What is corruption percent? The least corrupt country, of course. I'm using Lenovo European. Was doing it manually. The ellipsis one? It's oh yeah, it's thank you so much. Yeah, the I think let's try it to line clamp. Super helpful. I didn't know. Like I mean I've heard it before, but yeah, I don't like I don't know what the names or like the classes to do it, but this is awesome. So if I write line climb 3, it would just dot 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 for like 3 lines, I would assume. I'm using Lenovo ThinkPad. What kind of dev are you? The one trying to get a job. Okay, sorry, I'm getting distracted again, but this is nice. Maybe for the description, we can also make it line climb 3. I think line climb 3 is front or back. To be honest, um, I really like doing front, but CSS sucks. So this is an attempt to make bullseye. Is there any way we could use the size, the stroke width? Like decrease the stroke width? Thank you. Yeah, sorry. To mobile with React Native. I tried to learn React Native and I think I was using Expo. And to be honest, it kind of felt like Next.js, although I didn't really finish the app because it was for a test only. And then like, oh, you know what? I don't understand it yet, so that I haven't continued that yet. Stroke width. How do we change the stroke width of Lucid? Notice how every company sells to other companies so that they can also sell to other companies. The economy, basically, right? Wait, yeah, I need to do a quick search. I think there is a React icon as well in here. I don't know. Maybe. How to... I guess because it automatically installed it to with the chatcn and the other packages, I think. Oh, okay. It's a there we go. I don't know that. Let's try one. Is that work? Does that work? Kenapa?
Gunting buat kertas.
Nggak ada.
Tapi nggak pernah gunting ya?
Enggak. Paling dicuci dulu aja kalau nggak itu.
Tapi kan basah apa kan?
Can I do 1.5 for this? Hello. I think some of the Lucid React are deprecated as well, so I think I'm gonna need to change it to that as well. So maybe we could use React icons actually. Sorry, I was preparing for my thesis presentation. I couldn't do the stream. luck, doc. I will be starting from July after exams. Good luck to you too. Hopefully, no, no weird, not weird, like no bad experiences during the thesis. Oh my god, sorry. That's the likes. And views. Okay, let's try to have that. Does the other also have this? It's currently still static, but like the view. Okay, still the same. Nice, cool. Because if I'm not mistaken, in the sorry, I need to open the PRD that I already updated in one of the properties of the resources is to have the like and view count, I think. So let's see that. Is it here? Yes. So I think what I want to do right now is to I was thinking maybe what we can do right now is for the user first, and then we could create an admin that have an admin dashboard that could create the dynamic data of the resources. But I guess we could test it out first. Okay. Hmm. Sorry, I need to open another terminal and so this is the structure. Okay, the thing is, the auth already have everything using the better auth, so this is the resources the one that we need to make actually. Why is it throwing out weird symbols? Okay. Okay. Um, the relations is also needed. So I guess what we want to do right now is, okay. And I think I already set up a timeline as well. Okay, wait, yeah, wait, 1 second, and I think I want to. Should have done this since earlier, but I don't think I set up any of that. We're going to resolve with Postgres, yeah. Authentication, it is. Basic routing, kinda. Still on progress. Okay, I think what we want to do right now is this, the database model and API, and starting to create some endpoints for the functionality. This fucking AI took my job. True, very true. Okay. So I think right now we need to. Sorry, I'm still using my mouse here because still learning, but I think what we need to do is the result schema. Regarding for the resources, should I separate it from this schema for the user that is created by default by uh what's it called, created by a better auth, or should I change it into something else? Because if I need an admin, because I didn't set up an admin yet here, but okay, let's do that. Maybe should we do it now? Should we do it later? If you want to assign an admin, use the plugin of the better auth, or if you want, you will need to create another model for the roles and permissions. Okay. Couldn't find definition. Wait, I kind of forgot. What's the command to unsplit it? Is it Q? Oh, okay. Sorry. I remember it now. Okay, so we want to use the admin plugin. Roger that. But I would need to change the admin plugin provides a set of administrative functions for user management application. It allows the administrator to perform various operations such as creating users, managing user roles. If I run the npx better CLI, okay. Do I need to restart the whole schema? Does it like rewrite? This is the original that came with the first migration, the first like okay. Okay, just it's okay, but then will it override the current migration? Yes. Like will this will if I add that, will it change the original, will it change this? Or would it just add that new admin role into maybe inside of this user? There would be like, oh, this is user is admin or not, or I mean we could try it. Yes, using drizzle, but okay. No, you will manually add the columns in the table. You can see the schema at the bottom. Ah, okay. Okay, okay. Got it, got it. Okay. Is it the correct path? Better all slash plugin only. Is it plugins with S? Yes. What are you doing? Okay. I am trying to make an admin feature. So that's that. Runtime migration. Okay. See the schema section. So it's in, where's the schema? There we go. Trying to make this directory website for like electrical engineering stuff. So I would just add like a role field to it, right? Is it like that? You can also reference this, the organization for multiple roles. The organization for multiple roles. Like inside a, okay, is it like somewhere in the documentation, or I could find it somewhere? To be honest, I'm a bit confused. If you want advanced roles, create separate role schema. So specifically for the user and admin. Like make a different file. Do you guys have any like example where I could follow? Okay, create a resources and description, like a new table for. Oh, okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's search on GitHub if anybody have implemented that before. Okay. Where are the children? There is nothing in this repository. What? That's it? What? Okay. Yes, I am trying to learn Vim. Ah, okay. It will add a column for the user and session when you might. Okay, okay. Wait. So I just need to. sorry. This is you know what? I mean, if it breaks, it's fine. Okay. npx migrate migration or generate. So if I do this, name, auth, actions, login, change password, verify token, logout, name, profile action, read, update action. Where should I put this array of object, Mr. Sahil? Do I? Okay. So I guess I need to generate the new schema section to see. Okay. Okay. Before performing any admin, the user must be authenticated with an admin account. How did you learn to code? Um, to learn more about Java script and script. Oh, okay. You can create file and put it in the and create a script to seed it in database. Ah, I see. Okay, so like to change it. Okay, wait. Okay, let's try to do this one first. Oh, okay, I forgot. Yeah, it generated it to a different, sorry, a different schema. So if I open auth.schema.ts, it's just okay, you can create, okay. Okay, wait, for this I need to go with VS Code so that I don't know how to do it side by side yet. Wait, sorry guys, this is very disappointing, but okay, wait. So I think this is the auth schema. So like separate them into different files. Okay. Okay, one moment. 1 second. Sorry. So this is the one that is currently in the database is only this one. And this new auth schema added an image created at, is it not well as well? Oh, okay, updated at, and then it's just, oh, it just added this for thing, I guess. Okay. I would assume. That's okay. We add that and then jet. Okay. Do you have a seeder? Not yet. Not yet. Is there any guide on how to make the seeder? Or is it just like a script running the SQL queries direct or with the drizzle query directly? ID expires. That token. Okay, so the session has an impersonated by. Okay. Hello, Mr. Carmine. Okay. I'll ask GPT to create a seeder. Wait, let's do this. Adding the auth first. Sorry. Adding like the admin. For what purpose? Okay, which one was it? I'm sorry. I don't know if the chat is lagging or not. I hope it's not. Visual or MPG core. In this session, the only thing new is the impersonated by. In the account, it's still ID, account ID, provider ID, user ID, access token, refresh token, ID token, access token expires that, refresh token expires that, scope password. Okay, it's still the same. For the verification, is also still the same. So it only added this for new table and also this. No problem actually. Delete permanently. Yes. Now I just need to save it, and then I think right now is to I think I need to make a new new migration file. Sorry, it's in here, and then results migrate or push to apply it. Did I? Okay. So I forgot what's the command to push it to the. Is it just push? Okay, I guess that works. We can do we can go here and see if there is any local.result.studio. Okay. Hello. Okay. So the problem, it's not really a problem. It's just that I'm not sure if it's correct, to be honest. I'm trying to make this directory website for electrical engineering. It's still on progress. I still need to collect for the data, especially for seeding the data. But right now, I want to test if the user could save the uh, program or not. Okay. Token, refresh token, ID token, access token expired, scope, password created that. Let's do user, images, okay, it's working. The role is null because this user was created before this new migration happened, but it's already the data. Okay, it's working now. Now, I guess we just need to Happy Eid Mubarak as well. Hello, Juvelian Salas. Yes. I want to create a directory website. Trying. Emphasis on trying, okay? I don't know if this will work or not. Okay, so yeah, the new migration works. I just need to, I guess, update the role of this test user and maybe update if it's only some in the middle where is author out. Not only that needs some specific restriction auth, but also if the role of that user is not an admin, they cannot go to that, I guess. That's what we want to do. Okay. Now, okay. Next, include the admin client plugin in your authentication client instances. Okay. Launch client. I think we need to add plugins. To be honest, it's just to be to be honest, I'm overcomplicating myself in the sense that, to be honest, I don't really need authentication. I just want to learn and implement the authentication in here, even though, to be honest, the main feature is basically it's just a collection of resources and website and books and videos that have that I don't know, like have helped that have had helped that helped me learn electrical engineering. Basically, sorry, my English is decided to went on vacation today. I can't speak properly. But yeah, basically the core feature is just it's a collection of the resources. Right now, it's still hard-coded data. It's not dynamic yet. So maybe tomorrow or in the upcoming days, I will create the seeding and fill in the data. But as of right now, it's still not dynamic. Okay, why do we don't have an admin client? Do we need to okay, nothing. Before performing any admin operation, the user must be authenticated with an admin account. An admin is any user assigned the admin role or any user whose ID is included in the admin user IDs option. Yes, yes, only yes. So only two roles, admin and user. Because I think later I also want to have like an admin panel where the admin could uh, create or input a new resources. So yeah. So, but doing this, it's fine, right? Okay. Okay. The thing is right now, um, do I input the admin account manually in the database? Or is there a function I could create like this super admin? I think I can create an admin function, right? But then set up that every other people that signs in or sign up after this automatically assign that the role of user. Yes, okay. So far it's only these two. This is from the schema, but it's from the schema here. Default roles, admin user IDs. Okay, so add a role fit user. Okay, so add admin in manual. Okay. So that whenever the user use the sign up, it won't be an admin, right? It will just be this. Okay. Can I add a record? Only users. Okay, so I think I should create like a script or a function that would create the super user, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna ask ChatGPT for this or Claude. So schema.ts of clients. And then I think we also needed the middleware. And then create a user from website and change role to admin manually. Ah, okay. Okay. I get it. Okay. That's actually genius. Sorry, I couldn't really think. Let's run it. And the sign up already works, I believe. So let's try to check the log here. Let's reload it and go create a user from the set. Hello. Okay, let's try to sign out because, and then let's go to sign in. But since we want to create a new user, create account. The auth handles it on both, I believe, because yesterday there is this auth server function to get the session. to like. So it is client side and server side because I think the documentation use both, right? Let's see if this works because if I'm not mistaken, it is both on the front. So yes, this is. I want to join. This is Next.js, yes. The sign in, yeah. So I was following the docs and I saw the official GitHub and then like when they do the sign in function and the sign up, most of it is in the client side. But then uh I tried to do the auth server as well to check the session and to require the auth to check if it's correct or not. But yeah, the docs use both. Um I was reading a lot regarding auth and people recommended better auth, so that's what I want to learn. I guess this is confusing because I am still learning and I don't know if that's a proper way to do it or not. Backend JS is a crime. It is indeed a crime. Yeah, I guess I understand why it's just terrible. Okay, what was okay, I want to let's check it if it's created. Okay, we're supposed to have another user in the Drizzle Studio, I think, and one is admin. Okay, it's automatically gonna be defaulted to user, but we're gonna change this to admin. Save. Save to changes. So, this still passed, but I'm more on the SSR. That's why I asked. Well, what do you recommend I should do? Because I'm also not sure which one is like the best one. Is that okay? Because I was also asking the chat previously, like, okay, I already checked the session there. Is it enough? The default user is already sorry, the default role is set to user actually. So let's try to uh sign out and maybe we can create another. Because yeah, I think the role is automatically set to user. There we go. Yeah, we can see test 2. It's already user. Sorry. As long as okay, as long as your auth is working, it's fine. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So I think for to test that, is there a way where I could make a page where the page can only be accessed if the user's role is admin? I think you can do that, right? Maybe we can make like a app. we can go to new folder, admin, and then new file, php.txt. Admin page. But my one suggestion is if there are ways to use server side, I will choose the server side. Yeah, authorized by role. Okay, nice. Okay, okay. Protected route component. Okay, wait. Let's do that. Mm, schema and now I want to create, what's it called? Ah, okay. If role is admin, okay. Pages are only available to admin. Implement that. Is it like a high? I don't know what's it called, to be honest, because apologies for my noobness, but is it supposed to be like just a function only, or is it like a component, like a parent component that would route if the role is like this, then the look would be like this. Oh, okay. First, let's check. Oh, I think what I should be doing is that for the dashboard, it's supposed to be protected here, no? Is your cursor pre-1 or 1? Is it the cursor IDE? This is currently I'm running VS Code. Okay, it just created everything. That's cool. Oh, okay. It just keeps running. Okay. Thank you, Claude. Oh, like this, right? This is the okay. This is just letting Claude do the work again. I'm so sorry. Supposed to be learning. Yeah, wait, I'm gonna need to check if this is correct or not. I don't. To be honest, the admin only have like one protected page, so should it be this complicated or export default as of the admin route has access user await has admin access. Oh, okay. If some user sign in, return this children, right? Sahil, I use Next.js with hello. I'm currently trying to build this Omwerk. It's just supposed to be, but I guess right now it's just over engineered. Yeah, just a directory website that's supposed to be very simple, but again, I'm overcomplicating myself. Yeah, but it's basically just a directory website for electrical engineering. I'm in my final year of electrical engineering. Bro, this is Java? JetBrains Bono, if I'm not mistaken, for the font. Admin auth is new because it's on track, and then we have an authorized page. Um, as per usual, the good old CN. Uh, if Next support TAs natively or you have to make config. When you uh use the create next app CLI and like choosing the like configuration, I think you can choose between the JavaScript and TypeScript. Although again, the documentation really recommends to just just use TypeScript. But yeah, to be honest, my TypeScript knowledge is still very basics, just the basic interface and uh things like that. But yeah, I guess with this I'm trying to understand it more and just be better. Hello, Mr. Pigeon. How are you? I'm using Shatsian. Uh could I just use can use Chakra UI in your next project? I prefer it over Xian. What do you say? Which one do you prefer? I am actually yeah, I mean I don't mind using any of the UI library. It's just that the Shatsian, I watched a lot of videos regarding it. But Chakra UI is also nice. So maybe next for the next application we can try using Chakra. It's yeah, we could try to do that. I don't mind. The components are nice. It's very yeah. I guess we can do that for the next project because it reminds me of Naruto very much. Yeah, I think yeah, for the Next.js, if you select like the using TypeScript, it's automatically set up all the config, I believe. On coding, I prefer, but I hear it explodes so much. Is that fixed now? To be honest, it's still very slow. I guess because my PC is not that good as well. Hey, if you get called for interview before you finish your project, do you still show it to your employer during interview? I might. Hello. So much. To be honest, uh, when it lags or uh, when it bloats or not performing well in the dev server, what I usually do is I just delete the .next folder and then run the development server again. Usually it kind of makes it a bit faster. I know it's probably not the best choice to do it, but that's the solution I have right now. I am using OSL. Oh, okay. Okay. Wait. I think what we want to do is okay. The other solution for this, if your dev server is running slow, build the project, then run the build. Okay. Thank you. Oh, that's okay. Okay, I will definitely try that. Thank you. I wanna write that down in here. Main feature. Hello. I do. What do you use for the CRM? Sahil, like what tech stack do you use? If we could know.
Ngelap kaca, kita ada itu buat kaca kan ada?
Huh?
Ini buat kaca,
Apa?
semprotan buat
Ada. I don't use Next.js in production. It have many issue. Okay.
kita ya.
Oh my god, I didn't ask to do it. Why is it doing all of this by itself? Oh my god, this is a bit too much. What is the oh. Oh my god, okay. I didn't ask to make testing. What? Okay, this is insane. Okay. Okay, there's 30 people. But okay, this is insane. I didn't ask Claude to write the ad- why is it writing every okay, this is insane. I'm gonna stop it. What is this? Hello, I also do this work. Nice. It's running a test for the admin. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna let yes. This is bad. This is bad and good at the same time. This is insane. What? The thing is, this is still very short and okay, I'm gonna let it stop. I'm gonna try to see what it creates with this. Okay, let's cancel. Let's cancel. Okay, stop. Just stop. Just stop, please. Okay, thank you.
R. Oke gak?
Ya bang.
Oke gak? Gampang banget gue anjing.
Yeah, yeah. Let's try to redo that because this is a bit too much. I don't need to create use create admin. I don't need. I already created. I already have the create admin. And then I just need to do yeah the changes. The first one is already correct. To be honest, that's all I want. I don't need the admin action because yeah, I don't need that. The admin auth works because I just need the require admin and the has admin access, I guess. Yeah. I know, of course not. The middleware. Did they change the middleware? Yeah, it only just checks that, right? And if it's a protected route, which is already here, the dashboard profile settings, it's just gonna direct if there's no authentication, it's just gonna request, it's just gonna redirect the user to the sign in. Okay, this is fine. And then I think we have the unauthorized. This is the fallback page if the user is not an admin. One second, sorry. Hello, hello. Test. I've been okay. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. So okay, the fallback redirect works. Now let's try to test if we are an admin. Welcome back, and if we go to slash admin, we are able to go here. Okay, this is just some fake stuff that the AI created, but I don't want this. I want to actually, no, this is actually a good fucking okay, this is actually not that bad. Okay. The thing is, I'm gonna change this, I'm gonna change this, and then the other part is just going to be like editing the resources, I think. So that's that. And I guess that's it. What else did we add? Or what's the issue here? Let's see. Do we have a problem? Admin actions. We do not have admin actions anymore. We deleted that. Yeah, it's already deleted. Okay. So I guess what we need to do is just save them. And I guess, and as well as the PRD as well. Okay. But I guess that's it for today. The protected route and setting up the authorization works. I just need to, yeah. This is actually an interesting, okay, you know what? Let's go back here. Scheiße. Okay. Okay, but I guess that works. If we are not an admin, we won't be able to go to the admin page. But of course, the admins still have the dashboard page as well, and it works fine. Okay, I guess tomorrow, what I want to do is create uh, the proper admin page. So this is for tomorrow is admin page with CRUD for the resources. And if I could, yeah, I guess that's it for today. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Thank you so much for all the people tagging along the session today. I apologize if I said something wrong or accept too much AI, but so far it's working. I just probably for tomorrow I need to fix some stuff. Let's add some, even it creates it like a test. I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much for everyone, for all the help and for all the but yeah, I think uh, should I use CRM for this? But I kind of want to just create everything static. Not static, just that. Oh, okay, no, never mind. Again, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Uh, let's commit this first before we fucked up. Sounds good. Let's commit. Okay. Awesome. I couldn't see the timeline. The graph, sorry. Too late. Yes, we're gonna keep it simple. Okay. Again, thank you very much for all the help and all the assistance and for all my dumb question, for answering all my dumb questions. I'll hope to see you guys again tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a great day, everyone. Have a great weekend, by the way. I forgot Saturday. Yeah, so have a great weekend, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.